With me is Hep. Hep is the head of technology group.
Director for the School of Technology and Design.
For those people that are not able to make it today, what are the key takeaway points that you're going to be sharing with people?
The key takeaway points, I'll be addressing the issue of consumerization of technology in the workplace. So that people now, they always want to use their smart devices, whatever they have, their personal smart devices in the IT workplace. And the takeaways are, we want to see, as IT professionals, we want to see how we can accommodate that, because people are more and more confusing their work and home balance, and a single device is where they want to do all their work. And if, as IT professionals, we don't adopt that into the workplace, we will see a lowering of productivity.
The traditional IT has always been limitations of certain devices being able to use in the company, and now people are able to bring their own. What do you think the trend is going to be the next 5 years?
Well, the trend is going to be to more adoption, and we're seeing that. In my presentation, I will point out several of the companies that are moving in this direction, companies like Intel, for example, looking at aggressive policies to bring this into the fold rather than try to keep this out.
We're looking forward to your presentation. I think you're going to also lead a workshop kind of discussion amongst everyone, right?
That's right. I want to get the feedback from the group.
We're looking forward to hearing more from you. Thank you for being a keynote today. With me is Justin Denton. He's with Rasmussen College, and he's also the instructor of the technology program. So thank you for being a venue host for us today.
Thanks.
So tell us a little bit about Rasmussen. What makes you guys unique?
What really makes Rasmussen unique is that we offer quite of a nice blend where everybody and all the colleges have started getting away from the hands-on feel with the computer and technology. We've actually been emphasizing that and bringing that back into the instructional methods. I talked to quite a few other students that have tried out DeVry and some of the other colleges in the area, and they've actually steered away from the days where they've actually, emphasized where they do the instructional technology, you get the hands-on, the labs and everything else. They no longer do that. Everything's become virtual for them. And to ensure our students and the campus actually has a full-fledged flow and that we actually produce students with quite a bit of knowledge, we're giving that back to them.
One of the programs you guys are trying to create is a technology advisory board, right? So can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're in the process and continually evolving our technology advisory board. Right now we have some representatives from IBM and some of the local companies, but we're always glad to have new additions. I think on the Aurora campus right now we have about 9 or 10 individuals from corporations throughout the Chicagoland area, and I'm always welcome to expand that and grow that as much as possible.
Well, how do they contact you? Do they contact you directly, or do they contact the college?
Yeah, they would contact me directly. You can reach me at justin.denton@rasmussen.edu, or you can give the call to the campus at 630-888-3500 and ask for me, and they'll be able to put you in my contact.
Well, thanks again for being a venue host, and we look forward to doing more with you guys.
Thanks a lot.
With me is Martin LaGros with Rasmussen College. So what do you do at Martin here?
For Rasmussen, I supervise online instruction, and I work with the instructors across the nation to make sure that we're kind of all on the same page with the technologies that we're teaching, that we're using everybody to their strengths. Particularly the online courses, about 70% of our student seats are online as opposed to the residential campuses. But it's a lot of the same people. There's the people that are teaching the students residentially. A lot of times are also the same one that are teaching our sections online.
So do you see a trend for going more online these days? What's your prediction 5 years from now?
Oh, boy, 5 years from now, I think that we're going to see it continue. I don't think that we're going to go fully 100% online, because there is always value in face-to-face. But I think that what you're going to see is, with the advent of more Web 2.0 interactive technologies, that the online environment is what's going to transform. It's going to be more interactive. There's going to be more of the simulation and lab-type experiences that are offered online, as opposed to, maybe writing a paper or participating in a discussion forum.
So what's unique about Rasmussen?
what Rasmussen College is unique in that it meets students where they are. Whatever their needs are, we try to be the college that's going to meet them where they are and then take them to the next level to where they want to go. I've seen that in the success of students coming right out of high school that were looking to get into the field, and I've also seen it in the success of students who maybe, I come from the Paper Valley in Wisconsin. There's paper mills. There's guys that have been working in a mill for 30 years and lost their job and knew that they needed to make it in a new digital world, and we're able to bring them in where they are and then turn them into something that they wanted to be when they came to the door.
Great. You're very smart, by the way. I can tell. So I can tell. So thank you for your insight, and thank you guys for hosting us today.
Hey, it's great. Glad you guys could be with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.